Hello students, in the last video we have completed question number 1 of exercise 5.4 given on page number 87. Now today we will begin with question number 2. So here is our question. Solve the following. We have to divide the two given numbers, right? So the numbers are 66 divided by 2. The number that is to be divided is known as dividend. So here the dividend is 66 and the number by which we have to divide is known as divisor. So divisor is 2. Now we'll mark the places. I have already arranged the numbers in long division form. This is ones place and this is tens place. As you all know, we always start from the tens place. Now what is the first digit? Here the digit is 6. Now we'll read out the table of divisor and we'll check whether 6 occurs in the table of divisor or not. हम divisor means 2 की table read करेंगे and we'll see whether 6 occurs in the table of divisor or not. So let's write it down the table in the rough column. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. So here you can see 6 occurs in the table of 2, means in the table of divisor. How many times it is occurring? 3 times. So we'll write 3 in tens place and we'll write 6 over here. Every time we have to multiply divisor by the quotient. So 2 multiplied by 3 is equals to 6. So we'll write 6 over here and we'll subtract now 6 minus 6. We'll subtract 6 minus 6 is 0. Now so how much we are getting? We are getting 0. Repeating the steps, what we did, we have taken only one digit. हमने सिर्फ एक digit लिया, that is 6. Then we have read out the table of the divisor, that is 2. And we have seen that 6 occurs in the table of the divisor. How many times it is occurring? 3 times. So we have written 3 at tens place as we were dividing the tens place digit. Then 2 threes are. Every time we multiply the divisor with the quotient, हम हमेशा divisor की multiply quotient से करते हैं. 2 threes are 6. We have written 6 over here. Then we have subtracted the two numbers. 6 minus 6 is 0. Now let's move on to the next step. Now we'll bring down the next digit. Now the next digit is 6. Now again we are going to read out the table of the divisor. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. So we are getting 6 how many times? We are getting 3 times. Now we are going to write 3 in ones place because we have divided ones place digit. We multiply the two numbers. 2 threes are 6. We have written 6 over here. We'll subtract 6 minus 6 is 0. Now no more digits are left. So this is our remainder. जब हमारी division खत्म हो जाती है उसके बाद जो number बचता है that is known as remainder. So we left with 0. So remainder is 0. And 33 is quotient. So we'll mark Q for quotient. Quotient is the answer of the division. Division का जो answer होता है that is known as quotient. Okay. So quotient is 33 and remainder is 0. Now please have a look on B part. Here we have to divide 96 by 8. So 96 is dividend. Again the number that is to be divided is dividend. जिसको divide कर रहे हैं उसे dividend बोलते हैं. And 8 is the divisor. The number by which we are dividing that is known as divisor. जिससे हम divide कर रहे हैं उसे divisor बोलते हैं. Now let's start with the division. I have arranged the numbers in long division form. Now again we will take only one digit. Let's read out the table of the divisor, that is 8. I am writing the table over here in rough column. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. Now I will stop here. Why? Because 16 is greater than 9, right? So I cannot take 16. मैं 16 नहीं ले सकती because ये 9 से बड़ा है. तो मैं 16 को 9 से सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं कर सकती, राइट? वी कैन नॉट सब्ट्रैक्ट द ग्रेटर नंबर फ्रॉम द स्मॉलर नंबर. सो व्हाट आई विल डू, आई विल टेक द मल्टीपल दैट इज अबव इट. जो उससे ऊपर वाली मल्टीपल है, जो उससे पहले मल्टीपल है, हम वो ले लेंगे. हाउ मेनी टाइम्स इट इज अकरिंग? 1 time. So what number I am going to take? I'll take 8. 9 तो आता नहीं है 8 की टेबल में, right? So what I'll do, I'll take 8 because it is smaller than 9. I can easily subtract, and it is occurring how many times? It is occurring 1 time. Sorry, I just forgot to mark ones in tens place. Please, let's mark it. So this is ones place and this is tens place. Okay, so 8 is occurring how many times in the table of 8? 1 time. So I'll write 1 in tens place. Now we'll multiply the two numbers. 8 ones are 8. Now we will subtract 9 minus 8, that is 1. Next step, we'll bring down the next digit, that is 6. So you can see now what is the number? It's 16. What is the number? It's 16. Let's read out the table of divisor once again. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. I'm getting the number 16, right? How many times? 2 times. मुझे 16 मिल रहा है डिवाइजर की टेबल में. कितने times? 2 times. So I'll write true here in ones place and I'll write 16. Then we'll subtract 16 minus 16, that is 0. So what is my question? The question is 12. So I'll mark Q over here. And what is the remainder? Remainder is 0. So you'll mark R for the remainder. So students, likewise you have to complete C part and D part in your maths copy.